Welcome. Check out SCI Materials Hub's Premium Carbon Paper GDL. It's the ultimate dual-layer substrate for your advanced fuel cells and electrolyzers. See its brilliant dual-layer design. The robust microporous skeleton provides structural support, while the hydrophobic MPL perfectly regulates gas and water balance. Watch it in action. It sits right between the flow field and catalyst, rapidly removing liquid water while creating a lightning-fast highway for electrons. Check out these engineered microcracks. They act as high-speed drainage channels, guaranteeing zero localized water pooling, even at extreme current densities. Its mechanical strength is absolutely incredible. It's highly flexible for automated assembly, yet incredibly stiff to withstand intense stack compression. Look at this light transmission test. It proves our coating is perfectly uniform, with zero catastrophic pinholes for flawless, edge-to-edge mass transport. Need specific parameters? With ultra-low resistance, optimized porosity, and strict micron-level thickness control, it delivers rock-solid consistency across every single batch. Available in continuous rolls or custom precision sheets, securely packaged with anti-static and anti-crush protection. Contact SCI Materials Hub today to upgrade.